So this is the 4-channel relay I2C board, and again this is a CTI Grove example to go onto the web page. So I've got my Pico connected I2C into this I2C board. This is 4 channels, 250 volt, 3 amps, 10 amp relays, single pole double throw. So in the code what we would do to find a scratch, go to Scratchpad, Grove, switches, 4 channel single pole double throw I2C, and we open up the example. So here's the example. It's got some helpful wiring on it, and this board's really good because you can change the address of it. So I'll demonstrate that as we go through, but first of all let's connect it up. So there's COM11 as always, and then we run it, and then we click on that and you can see a nice click. Lovely clunky clicks on these, I like them. Let's do it again just because I like them. Okay, so let's change the address. So we have our default address is 11, that's hexadecimal 11, little x there. So the new address, let's make it 12. Like that. So now if we stop it, if we go with 11, that should not work, I don't think. Let's try it. So now he's on 11. Now I click it. Oh, nothing happens. No clunky clicks. So let's move him up to 12. Let's move, and then run him. You can see he's addressed 12. So that means you can sling lots of these onto one I2C port, and they won't clash, which is rather nice. So I'm going to put him back to 11, which is the default. So let's have a quick look at the code. Again, I'll probably stick it on in slow-mo mode. Oop. See if I can get it big enough. Alright, that should probably do us. I'll tell you what, I'll stop it first. Then I'll put it in slow motion mode, and then we can actually see how it goes. So here, it's session based. These are the I2C ports. So here's it's 0. So you can see it goes Grove Connect I2C 0. So these are the GPIO ports for I2C 0. It then goes through here. It sets up the switch, initializes it. You can see that's in decimal, so it's 18, which is equivalent to 12, I think. So here, this won't work because it's looking for 12, and I've actually reset it to 11. So let's try it. Bonk. You can see, doosh. That went okay, but I didn't get a click. All right. So let's change that to that. No, it has to be stopped and started. Okay, and that's because it's in the initializer. So let's stop it. Like that. Then we'll run it again. Now you can see the 17 come up here, which is your 11 in hexadecimal. And now if I click on it, hey! So I've not tested, there are other switch boards, there's SSR boards and things like that. I've not tested them. But essentially, that's it doing its thing. I'll see it go quicker if I turn that off. I'll do separate videos where I dig into the different driver types for now, but these are the high level drivers, so you can use these as part of your projects.